Mabalik po tayo dito sa Shakey's V-League, and if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. O parang umiiba na.
Yung ihip na hangin.
Oo.
Nagiging winter wonderland na, dahil Pasko na.
Yeah. And Mozzie's going to be busy again.
Just like you.
Sa Rafika. Iffy pa yung defense ng PNP, di ba? Parang get not, get not.
Buti na lang, good read.
Oo. Oh, good dig. Another miscue para sa PNP. Chance for Navy. Serafika. Cruzada with a tip. Sangwang.
That's really close to the net, but Molina says it's okay.
It's alright. I got your back.
Kailangan balance eh.
Serafika. To Prochina. Marciano was there. Concepcion. To
Ganda
Sangwang.
naman. Ganda ng set, but mas maganda yung hulog ni Mikmik na no look pa rin.
Oo. At maganda rin yung tingin niya kay Sangwang.
Yun pala yung sinabi ni Mikmik, mas marami na ako sa'yo.
Oo nga. Molina, off the blockers. But you know, the challenge right now para to sa Philippine Navy is, I was mentioning it earlier, it was Mikmik's time eh. Ngayon nasa likod siya. Who's going to step up to the plate, no? Sino yung mag-continue?
Yung 5 points na sinabi ko sa'yo ni Mikmik, it's just in this third set,
Oh, yeah.
So, alam mo, pwede naman kasing paghati-hatian din yan.
Yes.
Katulad ngayon, there are 3 spikers in front for the Philippine Navy. Hindi naman pwedeng akuin ng isa, di ba? Pwede namang hati-hatiin din. And just Raka with the block. Yung swing of momentum, hindi maibalik dito sa PNP. Sinusubukan nila. They sent in already their starters, pero hindi pa rin. Pinalitan na naman.
Oo.
Di ba? Palit-palit na si Coach Bob.
Cruzada, Serafika, Prochina.
Ang ganda naman ng set ni Serafika to Prochina.
And very comfortable na tong lead para sa Navy. This is 20-14, a 6-point lead.
Mukhang at ang maganda doon kay Mikmik, doon sa ginawa niyang sunod-sunod na puntos, hindi lang nakapuntos ang Navy, naiakyat niya pa yung intensity ng buong team.
That's right, good point. And PNP sues for time. But a good block by Navy, and that has been plaguing itong PNP squad ngayon. Yung coverage naman nila yung wala. Or nawawala.
Saka parang nagulo sila nung humahabol tong nung lumalamang na ng malaki itong Philippine Navy. So, character ngayon ng in question dito sa PNP. Ang dali nilang nakuha yung first 2 sets eh. Yan ang character na gusto mo makita.
Yeah, I mean,
kanina pa